TR Stock Thursday. In this 1 minute video covering technical analysis, price predictions, and answering the question whether dollar tree stock is a buy or not. So we're sitting at like 14% down for the day. It's a very interesting position to be in. You can see I have a line pointing up, which means I'm bullish. But just for more context, I'm using a strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins only in 2023. I'm telling you all of this because that's all of the truth. And although we're like 14% down, I'm still heavily bullish on the DLTR or dollar tree. So I mean, it really depends how we close off this week. Sure, if the price goes and closes like below that point, that might be a bearish range. But for right now, it's still heavily bullish. And the only way that I'm taking advantage of is if it starts giving me the rules. And for me to actually look to see if the rules are met, all I need is just more data. More data meaning more candles, meaning more time needs to pass. So sure, gonna keep you updated. Check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.